Hi all, today we are diving into one of Sri Lanka's most dynamic players, Singer Sri Lanka, a company that's not just riding the wave of growth but steering it. Sins is a leading player in Sri Lanka's consumer durable sector. Its competitive advantage is built upon an extensive retail presence, including 405 retail outlets, 1,610 dealer points, and 16 service centers. Crucially, the business model is diversifying from a traditional durable store to a more comprehensive consumer experience model. The recent financial performance has been exceptional. In the last financial year, which is the financial year 25, Sins reported an equity holders profit of 4 billion rupees, successfully reversing the previous year losses. So this strong momentum continued into the first quarter of financial year 26 as well, where equity holders' profits surged by an impressive 162.9% year-on-year growth, reaching 1.5 billion rupees. Talking about the segments, home appliances remain the top revenue driver, contributing 35.6% to group revenue in first quarter of financial year 26. The financial services segment is the key EBIT contributor, accounting for over 40% of group EBIT in the quarter. This segment, primarily offered through Singer Finance, which is CFIN, is strategically expanding its lending portfolio and benefiting significantly from the prevailing lower interest rate environment as well. These consumer durable segments are set to benefit from positive macroeconomic tailwinds, including easing lending rates, rising income levels, and lower inflation, all of which boost discretionary spending. The home appliances segment is particularly well positioned due to its strong local manufacturing capabilities, meeting approximately 40% of the country's demand for refrigerators and washing machines. Finally, Sins is making strategic moves to drive future growth. The company was recently named the authorized retailer of Starlink, allowing it to expand high-speed satellite internet access across underserved regions, leveraging its nationwide retail network. And additionally, Singer, as a sole authorized distributor of Piaggio three-wheelers, has formed a strategic partnership with Valibum Finance PLC to offer microfinance leasing solutions as well, unlocking new revenue streams in the high-demand mobility sector. So with all of that, we are recommending a buy on Singer with a 12-month target price of 100.5 rupees, which offers investors a significant total return of approximately 22%. So that's the update for Singer for today. Stay tuned for more updates from SoftLogic Stockbrokers.